Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video we'll be testing out can we use split screen on the iPhone in iOS 17 or not, since you are able to split your screen in iPad, and we're able to do this in most of the versions of the iOS in the past. So let's check it out. So sadly, iPhone has disabled the split screen option in iOS 17. As you can see here, if I scroll up in my settings, I cannot see a button that will allow me to share two apps at a time, so this is not possible. And that's why you cannot share a split screen on your iPhone in iOS 17. In your iPad you can. As you can see in iPad, when you do this, then there appears a button called share your screen, and you can share two apps at a time, but it's not possible in an iPhone anymore. Hopefully Apple fixes this in iOS 18 or above, hoping to get the split screen back in iPhone. So without any further ado, I'd like to end this video. If you like this video, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then leave it on the drop box below. It's Millie signing off. I'll see you in the next one.